So this is the trial balance of Mr. Ram, and the adjustments are given over here. So now we are going to calculate, find out and prepare each and everything and put it in the trading account, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So let us start the format. So left hand side of your notebook is your debit side and right hand side is your credit side, and write down the heading. Okay, so heading trading account. Some people will write trading account and profit and loss account together. It depends upon you. Trading account of Mr. Ram for the year ended as on. So the date is 31st March 2012. So that date has to be given over here. So 31st March 12, 2012. Okay. So this heading you have to give it over. Okay, then the first item will be the opening stock on the debit side. So you don't have the date column and all, you just skip out the date column and straight away go to the particulars column. Okay, so the first item will be the opening stock, which will be given in the trial balance of your question. So go to the question. Opening stock is here. Opening stock is 2 lakhs. So just give that amount as 2 lakhs. Final column you can just enter. Okay, and go to the next item. So next item is your purchases in trading account debit side. Purchases is 2,75,000. If nothing is given about returns, no returns, purchases returns or returns outwards, you can straight away enter the amount in the final column. But in this question, you have 5,000, 4,500 as returns. From this, you have to find out which is purchases returns and sales return. Whenever purchases is debit, no, your purchases return will be credit. So this is your purchases returns amount or returns outwards amount. Okay. So first let us enter purchases to purchases. Okay. So that amount can be entered only in the first column, because if there is no purchases returns, you can straight away enter here. But purchases is, returns is there. Okay. So purchases returns you have to subtract from purchases. Okay, purchases returns, other name is returns outwards. Anything you can mention. Okay, based upon your question. Okay, so purchases returns is that how to find out from this two amount. Purchases debit column irundal, purchases returns credit column. Okay, so this 4,500 only purchases returns. So 4,500 you just deduct and find out how much you are getting. Okay, so 2,75,000. In that 4,500 if you subtract, I am getting 2,70,000, 2,70,500. So this is my amount. Okay, so just draw a line here. So you have to draw a line and show. Okay, amount you should always write in state only. So on the order and the proper on the units tagna madri you have to write it out. Okay, so final amount I have entered over here. Now any you have to just check it out. Credit side we can finish and then come to again debit side. Any other item has been skipped in. Credit side if you see buy sales will come under credit side of your trading account. Sales if you see amount is 4 lakhs. Okay, just we can enter 4 lakhs. If no returns is there, no sales returns, here you can enter. Sales return irundaduna, you have to give here only. Okay, so again if you see sales return, you have to deduct. Just give your sales returns. Sales returns you have to subtract amount to be given here. What amount? Sales whenever credit column la kaamchonva, sales return debit column. ஓகே டெபிட் பேலன்ஸ் தான் காட்டும் லெஜர் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணும்போது. ஸோ சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன்றது டெபிட், சேல்ஸ் கிரெடிட்னா சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் டெபிட். ஸோ இதுதான் சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்னுக்கான அமௌண்ட். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நாட் கெட் கன்ஃபியூஸ்ட் வித் திஸ் டூ ஐட்டம்ஸ். மாற்றி வந்து சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட போறீங்க. யூ ஷுட் பி கேர்ஃபுல். ஸோ திஸ் 5000 இஸ் for சேல்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன். ஸோ 5000 only we have to subtract. So 5000 you just mention here. Okay. So subtract these two things and show the final amount. So 3,95,000 I think so. That amount should be shown here. Now other than this, what other items trading account it will appear? You have to think it over. Closing stock will appear. Closing stock. Okay, closing stock, that amount how much you just refer to the question which will be given in the adjustment. 1,50,000 is your closing stock amount. 1,50,000 here one time you have to show, and the balance sheet asset like current asset you have to show that 1,50,000. Okay, then any other item should come, you just verify and check it out. Okay, so if you see all the items, it will not power and fuel only I think so it will come under the trading account. So power and fuel you have to put it under the trading account. Power and fuel will come under trading account debit side. It is an expense. So it amount is 3,500. So 3,500 you just show here. Okay, so everything give it in the order, then only it will be easy for your calculation. Okay, now move to the question. Any other items, just leave at a glance. Whether salaries and wages, if it is only wages means trading account it will come. Wages and salaries also trading account it will come. But salaries and wages வந்து profit and loss account debit sideல தான் வரும். So அதனால வந்துட்டு இது வராது இந்த item. Okay, anything else ன்றத just go through or else you can close the account. Loose tools வந்து asset sideல தான் கொண்டு போகணும் அது. So here that's all. So you just balance. How to balance na, first total ரெண்டுத்தையும் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So ரெண்டு சைடோட டோட்டலும் என்ன வருது அப்படின்றத you just find out. Okay, so this side total how much, this side total is how much. First calculate that one. Okay, so 3,95,000 plus 1,50,000. What is the amount? Just calculate and see what is the amount coming over there. Okay, 5,45,000 something I'm getting. So 5,45,000, that amount you enter here. Here also, here if you see it is less only. So 5,45,000 most probably you will be getting gross profit only. Okay, so 5,40,000 you found out. Now what you do know, this 5,40,000, this amount, this entire amount, either you total and subtract from this, or ஒரு item 5,45,000 minus 2 lakh minus 2,70,500 minus 3,500, how much amount you are getting balancing figure ன்றத check out பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So 5,45,000 from that 2 lakh you have to subtract. Okay, so 2 lakh subtract 2,70,500 you subtract 3,500 you subtract. I am getting 71,000. Okay, 71,000 I am getting. So this amount is known as to gross profit carried down. So this has to be written as balancing figure transferred to balance sheet. You can just give it up as transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, so you have to transfer to the profit. You have to transfer this amount to the profit and loss account. This is the balancing figure. Okay, so you can highlight this while in your exam. You can highlight this and show. So because based upon this answer only, they will be giving you the marks. First they will be going through whether your gross profit and net profit, net loss, all those things are right or wrong, and then only they will be moving to two step marks. Suppose if this is wrong means then they will give you the step marks. Okay, so you can highlight and box it out and show all those things. So how to balance means ரெண்டு சைடு டோட்டலும் பண்ணிக்கணும். பண்ணிட்டு வந்து எந்த சைடு டோட்டல் அதிகமோ அந்த ரெண்டு சைடும் எழுதிட்டு அந்த பேலன்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளோ டிஃபரன்ஸ் காட்டுதோ அந்த அமௌண்ட்டை வந்துட்டு you have to write it down. So if this side is coming no, to gross profit carried on. If this side is coming means by gross loss carried on. Transfer to profit and loss account you have to mention. So profit and loss account everything we can see it in the next session.